Hey, pre-calculus class, trigonometry. I love this subject, by the way. Given question, find the exact values of the trig ratios of each angle. Trig ratios, as you know, essentially sine, cosine, and tangent. Forget about cosecant, secant, and cotangent now. Let's do sine, cosine, and tangent. So given this angle 210, we need to find trig ratios. So first, we will draw x and y here. This is x and y, and 210. Locate the angle. So we rotate 180, and then how much left for 210? 30. So reference angle is 30 degrees. So it's the same as 30 degrees, but it's in which quarter? It's in third quarter. First, second, and third. And we're looking for sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay. So it reminds you with the sign of all ratios. In first quarter, all here are positive. In second quarter, only sine is positive. In third quarter, tangent is positive. In fourth quarter, cosine is positive. So if you want to find sine, it will be negative. If you want to find cosine, it will be negative. It will be, and tangent will be positive. So let's do that. So 30. So the opposite side will be 1, and it's supposed to be -1 because it's in negative direction, negative here. And adjacent will be hypotenuse will be 2, and adjacent will be square root of 3, and it must be negative because this is negative side. And if you want to do sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite, which is -1, over hypotenuse, which is 2. It's -1/2. So sine of 210, the same as sine of 30 in third quarter, which is -1/2. Cosine will be adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, which is negative square root of 3 over hypotenuse, which is 2. Finally, if you want to find tangent, as you know, tangent is opposite over, I hear you, adjacent. Opposite, which is -1, divided by adjacent, which is negative square root of 3, cancel all negative, and you see it? Tangent is positive now. Here you go. Tangent is positive. It's 1 over square root of 3, and it looks ugly if you have radical in the denominator. So we need to multiply by the conjugate, which is the same. Radical is square root of 3, and here is square root of 3. 1 times square root of 3 is square root of 3 over square root of 3 times square root of 3 is 3. So tangent of this angle will be square root of 3 over 3.